All right, folks, here's video 2. Continuing on for number 3 there. We're going to divide both by 6. You're going to get x equals 5.3 remaining. Guys, on this one, 4 corresponds with 3.2, as 10 corresponds with x. 4x equals 32. When you cross multiply, x is 8. Here you got 3 over x equals 5 over... This whole thing's 8, and that's x. This would be 8 minus x. All right. You're going to have 24 minus 3x equals 5x. Move that over. 24 is 8x. Divide, x is 3. You are 5.5 feet tall and cast an 8.4 foot shadow. So you overshadow equals a nearby tree casts a 24-foot shadow. Tree's height over its shadow. Time to cross multiply and shoot. You need to calculate. That's 132 is equal to 8.4x. Calculator not handy. You should always have one. Whatever that is, 32 divided by 8.4. It should be close to 16. Very close to 16. All right, anyway, you guys got a calc. You can type that in. A 7 here, almost done. A flagpole 12 feet high casts a 20-foot shadow. Its height over its shadow is equal to a nearby building is 54 feet tall. I need to know its shadow. Cross multiply 12x is equal to, I believe this is 1080. Divided by 12, I do know that this is 90. Lastly, altitude on hypotenuse questions. X is a height, so height squared is one part of the hypotenuse times the other. X squared is 32. We've already had the square root of 32 earlier. It's 4 root 2. If you have some of these memorized, you can save some time. 12 is the height. You say height squared. 12 squared is equal to one part of the hypotenuse. 16 times the other, x. 144 is equal to 16x. X is equal to 9. Here we're going to solve for 2 variables. Y is the height, so height squared is one part of the hypotenuse times the other. Y squared is 15. Take the square root of 15. That's your answer, because 15 doesn't have any pairs. It's 3 and 5. The whole hypotenuse is 8. X is a leg. Leg squared is the whole hypotenuse times the part of the hypotenuse it touches, 3. X squared is 24. Take the square root of 24. What goes into 24? 24 is 4 and 6. 4 is 2 and 2. 6 is 2 and 3. X is 2 root 6. All right, so that should be pretty good. We're going to finish 36 and 38 together on Monday. You guys should be able to finish 32 there on your own with no issue. If we have time, we'll go over that and check again. You're just solving on 1 and 2, set up some easy proportions there. We can talk about 4 through 6 on Monday. This is 90.9 The Quadratic, signing out.